In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import into Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the full process from choosing the right module all the way to confirming that your data has been imported successfully. Follow along in your own Zoho CRM account if you can, and pause the video whenever you need to catch up. First, start by choosing the module where you want your data to go. At the top of your Zoho CRM screen, you'll see tabs like Leads, Contacts, and Accounts. Click on the tab that matches the type of records you're importing. For example, if your file contains new prospects, choose Leads. Once you're in the correct module, look to the top right corner and click the Import button. From the drop-down, select Import for that specific module, such as Import Leads or Import Contacts. This tells Zoho exactly where to place the new records. Next, it's time to upload your file. Zoho works best with CSV files, so make sure your data is saved in that format before you start. On the import screen, you'll see an option to browse for a file or drag and drop it into the upload area. Use whichever method you prefer to select your CSV file. Once the file is attached and you see its name on the screen, click Next to move to the next step. Now you'll choose your import type. Zoho gives you two main options here. If you're bringing in brand new records that don't exist in your CRM yet, select Add as New Records. If you're updating information for records that are already in your CRM, choose Update Existing Records Only. For this second option to work properly, your file needs to include a unique identifier, like a record ID or an email address, so Zoho can match the rows in your file to the right records in your database. After you've made your choice, click Next. On the mapping screen, you'll match the columns from your file to the fields inside Zoho CRM. You'll see your file's column names on the left and the CRM fields on the right. Go through each one and make sure they line up correctly, such as mapping a first name column to the first name field in Zoho. Pay special attention to mandatory fields, which are marked with a red asterisk. These must be mapped, or the import won't continue. When everything looks correct, click Next. Finally, you'll see a few options to finalize the import. Here you can assign a lead source, like web form or trade show, or set a specific owner if all the records should belong to a particular user. This is helpful for tracking and accountability later on. Once you're satisfied with these settings, click Finish to start the import. Zoho will process your file in the background. You don't have to stay on the page. You can keep working in the CRM. When the import is complete, you'll get a notification through the bell icon at the top of the screen. Click that notification to review the results, check how many records were added or updated, and you're done.